How to send emails with Wix. I'm on the home page of Wix here, and from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see marketing and SEO. Once we hover over it, you should be able to see email marketing in the third slot. Just click on it here. Now this will take us to the email marketing campaign, and we can choose to promote a product, category, business, or we can start an email from scratch. So I will select this option and it will show us the email designing tool here. So it will tell us that we can drag and drop elements we want to use in this email campaign, and we can also add recipients and publish this. So we're going to click on done here. And we can customize this email to our liking. So we can do images here, and we can select different images from our library. Now we can do HTML, we can promote products. As you can see, we can add different links, and we can also change the theme of it. So as you can see, we can fully customize this email to our liking. Now what else can we do? So after we have created the email and set it up to our liking, we will click on next here, and this is where it actually shows us the recipients' names. So we can add recipients, so we can type out their email addresses here, and then we can also import contacts from this button as well. So if we click on import contacts, it's gonna look like this. Before you import, check your list wasn't purchased, and give permission to email them. So continue to import, and we can add a CSV file, or we can connect our Gmail account here. So basically it's going to look like this. It will show you who we're sending it to, and if we click on next here, then we can edit the subject line, the sender email, and the recipient count. And basically after we have completed all of this, then we can either send a test email, or we can send this email altogether to the recipients we have previously added. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.